So word 1. Okay, so this is how the execution goes. We have already seen this. First string, that is at argv of 0, the file name is stored and so it gets printed, and at the position 1 or the second element is the string word 1, and so it is printed as the first argument. So फाइल नेम उसके बाद में जो भी स्ट्रिंग्स हम स्पेस के बाद में लिखते हैं वो सारे आर्ग्यूमेंट्स कंसीडर किए जाते हैं. These are the arguments. Okay. The data values from the user. These are arguments. Right? So this way the first argument or the first string will get displayed on the command prompt screen. So the question is कि यहाँ पे हमने एक ही आर्ग्यूमेंट दिया है, only one argument, word 1 is given by the user. If I am also specifying one more argument, word 1, word 2, word 3. So total how many strings are there in the array? 1, 2, 3, 4, including the file name. Total 4 strings are there. argv0 पे file name है और argv1, argv2, argv3 तीनों पे word 1, word 2 and word 3. These are the 3 strings. Now what if I execute this? Only the first argument, the first word after the file name is displayed, and that is because of this printf statement. Okay, first argument is percentage s argv of 1, पर हमने यहाँ पे परसेंटेज एस स्पेस परसेंटेज एस लिखा, argv1, argv of 2 भी लिखा, and still there is no change in the output. Why is that? Only the first string is getting printed. अभी क्वेश्चन समझ में आया ना?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या मॉडिफाई करना पड़ेगा हमको प्रोग्राम में so that we can display both the strings argv1, okay, argv instead of Okay, I'll tell you one solution. Other solution you need to find it yourself. One solution to print several strings is to specify multiple strings in a pair of double quotes, and it will be treated as a single string. For example, let us first change this program to its original form. Okay, so now both the words will be treated as a single string, and that will be taken as the single argument. But both the strings will be displayed, and both the words will get displayed, but they will be treated as single string. You can even specify more number of strings, and all of them will get printed, right? But obviously all of this will be printed as one single string, right? So that is one solution to the question. Now the problem, that is the sample program that is given in the manual, it is also doing the same thing. ARGC is representing the number of arguments, and ARGV is a character array, pointer to the character array. And so the first second string, actually the string at first place, first element, that will be written in the file. Okay, so FP is the file pointer, and so you can see over here the count starts from 2 instead of 1, right? So I is equal to 2, I is less than ARGC, and I plus plus. So depending upon the number of arguments you give, this value of I will change, and so percentage S ARGV of I, that will get printed in the file. So this is a similar program. मॉडिफिकेशन क्या करना है इसमें? You have to modify the above program to print the content of a file using command line argument. So what is said over here? Using this command line argument, contents of the file first of all needs to be read, and then it has to be displayed on the screen. So on the command prompt, whatever content of the file has been read, they must be printed on the command prompt. Over here, for example, there is one file, a text file is there. which has got some strings. Let's say two strings are there, word 1 space word 2. Okay. Or this string, both the words are combined into one string like this, word 1 space word 2. This is to be read by the program, and then this is to be displayed on the command prompt over here. Just think how this can be done. All of you try this example, it is very easy. Just data from the file is to be read. File obviously has to be already created and it must contain some string data which is to be read.